Hello everyone. I welcome you all in today's virtual class of science. Let us read out today's thought. The tongue has no bones, but it is strong enough to break a heart. So be careful with your words. Children, remember, words can only be forgiven, not forgotten. In this world, nobody is going to remember you for what you have given them. They will only remember you for how you made them feel. So, children, develop the art of having good people around you. Right? We are going to start lesson number 9, environmental management. Let us discuss few questions. Question number 1. How does the atmosphere affect our daily life? The atmosphere helps to sustain life on earth by providing oxygen for human beings and animals to breathe and carbon dioxide for plants. Plants prepare their food by using carbon dioxide from air, and the process of photosynthesis takes place. Through the precipitation cycle, plants and animals receive the water they need to survive. The atmosphere protects us from harmful radiation of the sun. The ozone layer absorbs UV radiations coming from the sun. The atmosphere also keeps us warm due to the greenhouse effect. Without the atmosphere, the temperatures would fluctuate between extreme hot and extreme cold, making the earth unfit for survival. The atmospheric conditions determine what kind of clothing we wear and what kind of activities we participate in. Question number 2. Forecasts about weather related factors are given during the news bulletins on Doordarshan and Akashvani. Which weather related factors are discussed during the news bulletin on Doordarshan and Akashvani? Forecasts about different weather related factors such as cloud cover, rain, snowfall, wind speed and temperature are given during the news bulletins on Doordarshan and Akashvani. Is it clear to you all how atmosphere is going to affect our daily life? We are going to discuss two important factors which affect our daily life. Where number one is weather and number two is climate. Atmospheric conditions at a specific time at a particular place are referred to as weather. Atmospheric conditions depend upon a variety of factors. Weather refers to the atmospheric conditions at a specific time at a particular place. We frequently express our opinion about the weather by making statements like today is too hot, today is too cold, it is very hot today. So, children, weather is a short term condition of the atmosphere. The changes in the weather may occur for short period of time. Now, let us discuss about climate. Climate of a particular region is the average of daily readings of various weather related parameters recorded for several years. The changes in climate may occur slowly over a much long duration. So, this is the basic difference between weather and climate. Weather depends upon the prevailing conditions of the air. The climate of a particular region is the average of daily readings of various weather related parameters recorded for several years. Hence, climate is a long term predominant condition of the atmosphere. This slide shows how weather is related to various factors. It is related to atmospheric pressure, sunlight, clouds, humidity, rainfall, visibility, temperature, etc. Climate plays a very important role in our day to day life. It influences human lifestyle directly or indirectly. Land, water bodies, plants, and animals collectively form the natural environment on Earth. This environment is responsible for development of organisms. Climate and weather strongly controls what fruits, vegetables, and crops can grow. The diet, clothing, housing, occupations, lifestyle of people of a particular region is to a very large extent determined by the climate. The design of the houses in different geographical regions of the world is determined by the climatic conditions. In the regions that receive very heavy rainfall, the houses have sloping roofs. In dry regions like Rajasthan, flat stone pieces are used for roofing. Similarly, loose dresses are popular in regions where the climate is very hot. In colder regions, people wear warm clothes that protect them from cold. Salinity of marine water, formation of oceanic currents, water cycles, everything are affected by climatic factors. Various processes such as weathering of rocks in the earth crust, formation and enrichment of soil, etc., are influenced by climatic factors. So there are so many factors which are related with weather as well as climate. Climate does not change continuously. Climate is that which remains constant in a region for a long duration. Thus, we see that weather is related to specific location and specific time, whereas climate is related to longer duration and larger area. Changes in the weather may occur for short periods of time, whereas changes in climate take place slowly over a much long duration. Climate plays a very important role in our day to day life. It influences our basic needs like food, clothing, and shelter, as well as our occupations. Climate is especially important for agrarian country like India. Various climatic factors like direction and speed of wind, temperature, atmospheric pressure, etc., are considered during construction of runways, seaports, huge bridges, and skyscrapers, etc. Children, have you got the basic difference between weather and climate? Weather refers to the atmospheric condition at a specific time at a particular place. And climate of particular region is the average of daily readings of various weather related parameters recorded for several years. Weather is a short term condition of the atmosphere. Climate is a long term predominant condition of the atmosphere. The changes in the weather may occur for short period of time, but in the changes which are taking place in climate may occur slowly over much long duration. Is it clear to you? Which factors are affected favorably or unfavorably by climate? What must we do to minimize this effect? Children, which factors are affecting favorably or unfavorably by climate that we are going to discuss now? Climate patterns play a fundamental role in shaping natural ecosystems. Because so many systems are tied to climate, the climate of particular region helps to determine the diet, clothing, housing, occupation, and lifestyle of people of that region. For example, the characteristic lifestyle of Kashmiri and Rajasthani people. This is decided by the climate of that particular region. The diet, clothing, housing, occupation, lifestyle of people uh, of that region is determined by the climate of that particular region. The amount and regularity of rainfall combined with soil and climate type, temperature affects vegetation across the country. Climate plays an important role in the formation and enrichment of soil. A change in the usual timing of rains or temperature can affect when plants bloom and set fruit, when insects hatch, or when streams are their fullest. This can affect pollination of crops, water supplies for drinking and irrigation, growth of trees in the forest. Second question, what must we do to minimize climatic effect? What can be done so as to minimize the climatic effects? We can uh, do few things to minimize climatic effects. Number one, use green and renewable resources like biofuels. Reduce waste production and recycle them whenever possible and make waste food compost. Segregate and throw waste only in the designated waste bin. Reduce water wastage. Use fuel efficient vehicles and rely on public transportation and adopt cycling and walking whenever possible. Reduce paper wastage. Plant more and more number of trees. Unplug electronic devices when they are not in use. So we can do all these things so as to minimize the climatic effects. You can read out this slide so as to know uh, how human progress is related to conducive climate and geography. This is just the information given here. Let us discuss importance of weather in the living world. Daily weather as also long-term climatic conditions influence human lifestyle directly or indirectly. Land, water bodies, plants, animals collectively form the natural environment on earth. Then this environment is responsible for the development of organisms. The climate of a particular region helps to determine the diet, clothing, housing, occupation, and lifestyle of the people of that region. Salinity of marine water, formation of oceanic currents, water cycle, etc., are all related to various weather and climatic factors. Various climatic factors bring about the weathering of rocks in the earth crust. Climate plays a very important role in the formation and enrichment of soil. Microbes in the soil play an important role in the formation of organic materials. This process depends upon various climatic factors. Thus, it is very clear that the study of meteorology is very important from the viewpoint of human life. While ascertaining the climate of a particular region, a review of earlier studies of various aspects of climate is very important. Most countries in the world have established meteorology departments for making and recording such observations. These departments have observatories which are equipped with modern instruments and technology. If present climatic conditions are analyzed with reference to the past climatic conditions, we can predict climatic changes of the future. However, as the climate is the net result of complex mixture of various atmospheric factors, forecasting it is very complicated and difficult. Forecasting is easy for a place where climatic changes are slow and of limited nature. However, where climatic changes are complex, interdependent and rapid, making forecast is very difficult. Complicated weather conditions which cannot be forecast easily. For example, if you take example of our country India. India is surrounded by Arabian Sea at the west side and Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean on the east side. In Bay of Bengal generally we can see maximum cyclonic conditions develop, whereas in Arabian Sea it is less. This is because of low pressure and high pressure occur at Bay of Bengal. So we cannot predict weather conditions in the eastern side of our country. We can see changing climatic conditions nowadays which largely affects any country's economic development. We all know India is an agrarian economy. Our country's maximum population depends upon agriculture, but we also depend upon monsoon, which is again unpredictable. Nowadays, we can witness variations in weather and climatic conditions. For example, we can observe warm winter. Nowadays, due to changes in the climatic condition, our agriculture is also getting affected. Children, as a bizarre, it might seem that it is actually happening means freak weather mode its way to Africa and Middle East with temperature dipping below freezing point and some parts of Sahara desert amazingly receiving snow. So here we can see changing weather conditions which affects living organism as a whole. So unpredictable weather mode is going on in the world. We cannot predict the forecast, and forecasting becomes very difficult when climatic changes are complex, interdependent and rapid. So the forecasting is very difficult in such case, and forecasting is easy for places where climatic changes are slow and they are of limited nature. Clear? So children, we have discussed today two important factors, weather and climate.